In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sumifs formula in Smartsheet. We'll start on the home page in Smartsheet. From here, you can begin your work by starting a new project, program, or process. That simply means creating or opening the place where your data will live. On the home screen, you'll notice a suggested area that highlights items you've accessed recently. If you don't see what you need there, switch over to all workspaces to browse everything you have access to. Next, find the workspace that contains the sheet you want to work with and click into it. Inside the workspace, open the specific sheet where you'll add the formula. This brings you to the grid, which is where the Sumifs function will do its work. Now, click into the cell on the row where you want the result to appear. Think of this as the summary cell that will display a total based on conditions you define. With the cell active, it's time to type your formula. Sumifs in Smartsheet follows a clear pattern. Start with the numbers you want to add, then pair each criteria range with the matching condition. For example, you might enter something like each Sumifs amount, status and status, approved, department, north. In this example, the formula adds up the amount column, but only for rows where status is approved and department is north. Using full column references like amount, helps the formula include all current and future rows without extra maintenance. A few quick tips while you type. Make sure your sum range and each criteria range cover the same set of rows. Ensure the column you're summing contains numbers, and put text criteria in quotes. You can also use operators such as chi01, 01, 2025 for dates or dari for numbers depending on your needs. If you prefer some assistance, you can also build with AI. Open the AI formula helper, describe what you want in plain language, and let it suggest a Sumifs. Review the generated formula to confirm the ranges and conditions are exactly what you intend. Once everything looks correct, click Apply. Your result will calculate immediately. If the number doesn't look right, double check that your criteria ranges match the sum range and length, confirm there are no stray text values in numeric columns, and verify that your criteria match the data exactly, including spelling and capitalization where applicable. From here, as you update your sheet, changing statuses, departments, or amounts, the Sumifs total will update automatically, giving you a reliable, real-time summary without any manual recalculation.